Everyone, good morning to all of you who is watching. Here I am at Tomorrowland here at Disneyland Hong Kong. I am queuing up for the Wasp, the Nano Battle here. This is one of the attractions that you can visit if you come to Disneyland because the queue here is quite long. So if you're here early, you can come here first. Should do is go for the toilet break first before you queue up here, as it can take up to an hour. So I've been here for around 30 minutes, so almost there. It has been 40 minutes now. After close to an hour, here we are at the entrance. We are going to head in the wall. I need a toilet, but I can't miss this queue. It is currently around 3:40 p.m. So I've been here since 10 a.m. this morning.
Zola's bots are intensifying their attack. The volunteers are going to help us take them down.
They can use the EMP blasters on the daggers.
This place is literally swarming with these bots.
You know, they're actually called swarm bots, right?
Well, it's a great name for them.
Leslie, we're encountering more of them the deeper we go. 冇錯，蘇聯啲機械蟲不斷地抵住。There's a chance of impact with brain chemistry. If not, they should be fine. Except that guy with the glass.
I'm not worried about you. I'm worried about the guy behind him in that shirt.
All right, everyone. We need to help Ant-Man and Wasp to defeat Zola's bots. Let me share my screen. Every bot has a weak spot exposed when it opens this cooling vent. Hit them with your EMP blaster to disable the bot. Threat analysis shows these bots are the highest value targets. Keep your eye out for them. But also these and this one. Just blast every bot you see. The dagger's onboard computer will track your hits. All right, everybody. Head to the...
Leslie, it's chaos down here. Zola's bots are overwhelming the We can destroy these bots faster than we can back it up.
Okay, well, there's just one flaw in your plan. No exits.
Ant-Man, Wasp，戰親整個燈塔，去緊車庫，準備上入吉戰車。
Remember, shoot the bots, not me.
You mean us?
Yeah, right. Not us. Don't shoot us. You got that? You in the bag? Take that.
戰親整個燈塔出，準備乘搭突擊戰車。突擊安全系統要求大家喺戰鬥期間操控，將手臂同埋腳收埋喺戰車裏面。同埋會冇導航嘅小自然軍。Attention volunteers, prepare for boarding. The dagger safety system requires you to remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside your dagger vehicles during movement. And remember, keep an eye on the young fighters. 自愿参战立刻出发，准备搭乘目击战车。突击安全系统要求大家在作战期间做好，请大家紧握你的手脚，手要准备支配肩签，并掌握你的下肢时，自选参战脚收好在战车里，并照看好您的小战士。
We are almost there in a while, so I'm going to get ready and let's go and have a fun ride, check in the camera to make sure everything is alright.
To be safe, please remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside your vehicle's during battle. And keep an eye on those young fighters.
Oh, 这要进去啊！
啊，这么可以放。
即種軍屬嘅核心，
你要設定設定。
中將機械從入邊出擊，大家一齊。
Boom boom boom。
Can you pick up your blasters? Time to focus on the mission.
Grab those blasters and get ready to do some damage.
激戰者會將大家帶到屬嘅核心，同 Ant-Man and The Wasp 配合。
哪裡我要設？
Everyone pick up those blasters and prepare to kick some butt.
有咩？不懂是什麼？到底是？你是很少哦，你的 point 很少哦。哎，哦，你看我是9000哦。那些一粒一粒的。
大家注意，所有系統準備就緒，縮細程序即將開始。
Prepare to shrink down so you can get Zola inside the magma.
大家準備縮細，前面機械集中，用蘇文作前力。好嘢，大家縮細咗啦。
Yes, we're shrunk. Time to blast that hive bot from the inside.
縮細成功
You're shrunk and inside the hive bot.
Now blast your way to Zola.
大家縮細咗。
Now that you're shrunk, blast those circuits and shut it down.
Hey, I shrunk the kids.
The airship airline ever made the news. Always
Prepare to join those who are failing to deploy. It's only a
Why are they still incest?
Scott, time to get them back to human size.
Oh, can't we just keep them? They were pretty good in there. They could be our permanent backup.
大家英勇作戰，對付蘇倫同佢啲機械蟲，表現好出色。
Yes. You guys were like, Zola was all like, yeah, so unstoppable.
Good thing they had all of you there to make Ant-Man look good.
好了啊，睇見分好啊，我幫我快面啲。
5 minutes。
誒，慢。
歡迎各位
大家注意，蘇黎就侵襲戰車架前面，戰車。
That was fun, and I saved the world, I guess. So now here's the merchandise shop. That's outside of that ride, and one of the places I need to go to is the toilet. These are the merchandise here. at Tomorrowland. It's different from other areas of Disneyland here. Oh, passport shop 的，
Chop passport.
那个，对吧？
640.
Я хотела сходить на аттракционы, а ты что?
Huh? Okay. I'm getting a passport here, so what you need to do with this passport is find the different stamps around Disneyland. Okay.
反正全部 Chinese one 可以看。chop 在哪里呢？
你找那 Iron Man 的有没有？那 Iron Man 的
是咩？哦，这个。
啊，这是本来要 chop 出来的。
哦
哦，要看这个 logo 在那，
，Tomorrowland 不知
我再
道，
去找了
说 chop 在这里哈。
啊。
要在睡觉了。
对了。This time is around 4 p.m. So let's check out what
变态。
it looks like at 4 p.m. here. This is the hyperspace mountain. Lots of people queuing here at the moment.
Oh.
好像那边那个东西可以拿，那边有 chop， 好像有的。
哦20块。只要买10张10块，那个是不是可以拿？
刚才我们到这边应该有一个厕所，somewhere nearby。哦，OK，那边有 chop， 你。哦，那这 OK。Thank you. And so that's how you get the stamp here. You need to search the whole Disneyland to find the different areas where you can get stamps. And if you manage to get all the stamps and get the whole passport chopped, you can get a gold medallion. To Tomorrowland? The food. 你要什么？
水喝嘛？
没有，还很饱。
它水不是饱这样，
花钱
还要还钱？
啊，但是它有这个在里面的包
我们
包
有吗？
没有买。
他们已经booking for 晚上了。
谁？
booking for 晚上看烟花。
哦。那边很多店还没有去的，应该有 stamp 好 collect 哦。好像要北瑞来了哦，现在。啊，这样他装那个东西。
快拍一个。
对。Some of the people here are already setting up their areas to prepare for the parade and also the fireworks, which is around usually 8:30 p.m.
Tapos may private na tayo dyan lang. 我这直接在走。
应该在这样很多人。miss 我们早上来最好，可以空空的拍。
现在是拍人。那边是你知道
啊。哦，原来Disneyland是一个 not only for 这种地方，是 for like gathering 啊。Thank you very much for watching this vlog. We will be continuing the next part of Disneyland very soon. Have a good day and do subscribe. Oh, 应该可以，我去看一下。